The e-filing feature is a powerful feature for on-demand printing of frequently used office documents. E-filing lets you store, print, and manage documents that you have obtained by copying, scanning, printing from a PC, receiving as a regular fax, and receiving as an Internet fax. The optional hard drive is required for e-filing functionality. Documents that are stored in e-filing boxes can be accessed and printed from the touch panel of the system or via a network-connected PC with the Top Access web utility. Perform the following steps to create a user box. Press the e-filing button on the control panel. Press the Box Setting tab on the touch panel. Press a blank box number. Press Setup. Press Box Name and enter the box name using the on-screen keyboard. Press OK. To require a password for the e-filing box, press Password and enter the password using the on-screen keyboard. When you are finished, press OK. Press Retype Password and enter the password again. When you are finished, press OK. Press OK.